have to get this videotape to slow-mo so I can see how they attack. Oh, why is the light flickering? I have no idea. I can't believe they got them all already almost. Like, you poured a crap load in there. They're definitely top water.
Uh-oh. What happened to that filter?
Oh, whatever. I'll fix it later.
Look at the color on that small one. Yeah, they're already here, silly.
Maybe that was too much.
No,
There's only
I'll eat it.
5 left.
I see them.
There's one.
He knows. It's getting big though, hey?
Yeah.
You might just be one to catch up right away. That's the bigger one. The small one's right there. Look at the color on him though.
See, I wish they would let me film them from the top.
What's all that crap on them allowed?
Because then you get an actual... It's all their poop. Oh, now they're nice and calm because they're all fucking full.
Look at that guy's belly. Fucking huge. Holy! Look at it. He got most of it. His belly.
Well, no, his belly was big already because of the tail of the bass that he ate yesterday. The half the bass that he ate, I should say.
It's just fat.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can notice, look at the nose, straight. These ones are flat, wider.